Vlogmas Day 6.
How you know?
Vlogmas Day 6.
Say hi, husband.
Oh no, bad night. Look at. Hey!
Vlogmas Day 6. We are going to...
We're going to H&M, guys. Hey, why you have to be close to my jacket?
We're going to H&M to get Royalty something to wear because tomorrow is picture day. And oh yeah, if you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you hit the notification bell in that corner so when I post a video you're able to tap in.
Oh no, now I look like a bridge.
Yeah, so
I want to take off these books.
they look pretty, right? Come on, Poopo. Yes, you have. You've been in here before.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have.
No, I haven't. No, I haven't.
Oh, the little stinky poo. So, I'm back home now. I'm going downstairs to get a package. I have a package downstairs. Christmas stuff is starting to arrive. And Royalty was just way too much. She got something really, really cute. And my father-in-law just finished cooking some brown stew chicken with rice and peas. I got me some fresh watermelon juice. About to watch a movie and call it a night.
The next day.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. You're my good husband. Say good morning, babe. Thumbs up. You remind me of Trump when you do that. You always be like... Good morning, welcome back to the NEWNEW channel. Happy Vlogmas Day number... I believe this is 7. Listen, I put 6 and 7 together because yesterday my daughter was doing way too much. She was doing too much. Too bossy, too demanding. She was just doing too much. So I didn't get to upload Vlogmas Day 6 yesterday. So I'll just put them together. But this is the next day. Oh no. I am in the car. We are driving uptown. I told you I live in the city in Manhattan, so we're driving to the Bronx. We go to a fish market up here and a meat market up here. I will give y'all the names of the fish market and the meat market if you are in New York, because you will get your money's worth inside these two places. The supermarket be doing too much and the food don't be fresh in the local supermarkets like that. So we drive up here once a month to get our meat and stuff and fish and all of that good stuff. And by the way, I am wearing a teddy hat with the initial C on it. That is my middle name, Clarissa. And I got this from Shein. It was like, I think like $4, no lie. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to find the link to link it to y'all, but all you gotta do is search Teddy Hats and it'll come up. So this morning Royce got dressed fine. It is picture day and we dropped her off and yeah, so that's about it. So stay tuned, and I get inside the fish market, I'll try and give y'all a little glimpse of what they have if I can. I don't even want, there's not nobody in that car, right? So this is the meat market, guys, that we go to, and it is on, this is 219th here?
Between 219 and 18.
Okay, between 219th and 218th and White Plains Road. So there's the meat market, and the fish market is on the corner next to Gold Star. I've been getting here our snapper fish. Ooh.
How much is that?
This one 21.44. And the other one 36.20.
So we just left the Jamaican restaurant, Golden Crust. They got them everywhere. Golden Crust, and I got some AKEE sawfish with dumpling, boiled dumpling. And I'm about to tear this up right now. Well, we back home now. And we just talking about how the people and go, what is it, Golden Crust? Being cheap with the freaking food. I don't understand. Sheesh. I'm not a little button, okay? I'm not a little button. I like to eat. It's like they want to keep the food for themselves. Heading to Walgreens with my mother, who's being real stink. What? She's a New Yorker for real. This is the end of vlog number 7. Yeah. Remember, I'm putting 6 and 7 together, so we're doing something different on this side. Like, share, subscribe, and happy Vlogmas.